Upgrades from the head honcho. We are about to get to the good stuff, protecting an unlikely source. The day is now 36 hours and starts and ends at 3 am or 3 pm in an alternating fashion. At the time of this post 11:11 evening gate, on the 3D date 61,720, the following 3 am will start this new day. Simply follow this parallel around the globe until it hits your local time at 3. If you are cognizant that a new day has begun, it is customary to send love and kindness to someone. Today's date on the Archangelic calendar is Infinity O7A6 Infinity Infinity S8A6 S8A7A9 Infinity Infinity I2 G2 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 Infinity Infinity B1 TT Infinity. Please visit us at archangeliccalendar.com for more information. And please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Gaia went back to the fire setting and has bounced back and forth between water and fire, skipping multiple elements. This is the reason for the mild headache, disorientation, and mild stinging feeling happening to us at the moment. This could easily be confused with ascension and upgrade symptoms as well, but the moral of the story is that it's normal. We are about to get upgrades from the head honcho, so to speak. No one has any idea what to expect when this manifests, as the will of infinitely expanding creator source is above everyone's level of consciousness, but we do know that it's sure to be epic. Yes, your emotions may feel uncontrollable because of all of this, but believe me, they are not. After having a long talk with an angel who wishes to remain anonymous, it is clear that we are almost at the good stuff, but there are still some experiences to experience before that will happen. The new and full moons seem to be constantly escorted by Lakshmi and the white magic energy, as indicated in the calendar. This has been the Legion's strategy to avoid dark hijacks, and it is working very well. This was something initiated by celestial wisdom, as the high councils of the 13th dimension are starting to directly affect our reality and our available intelligence. We see many people advising to start the forgiveness process, and our legions will stand firm in this statement that the first step in forgiveness is stopping the offense, then you can find peace with the situation after the hurting stops increasing. You cannot heal a wound while the knife is still locked inside the gash. If you hear channelers calling for this, it's straight up deception. The pseudo-cyber attacks have become a back and forth battle and are far from being over. This is going to reveal a good deal about the common enemy of the people and what conflict in the technological era looks like. The timing that we were referring to about big-time pedophile arrests is about to be upon us, and most of the justice happening during this period will never be forgotten, some of which is already starting to trickle in. This also includes the heavy repercussions PSENG is about to get for starting the forest fires. To be noted, this is also in exact metaphysical sync with a powerful anomaly about to hit New Jersey, USA, and the cycling of my third life death walk, which visions included these specific topics. Humanity must decide if labor is part of its tomorrow or not. Will people pursue goals with no currency attached? Will the thrill of progress overcome the lust of laziness? Humanity must decide, because no decision will produce less than optimal results. The spiritual war is being dominated by light. This is because no matter how hard it was or what laid ahead, the divinity within never quit. The lightworkers kept pushing until there wasn't an organism in existence that did not feel them. That is why the most sensitive, meaning intuitive, galactic beings have come to Earth to witness what is to be the birth of a truly glorious race of beings. We can see a flash of the physicality of the highest level of divinity if we accept the subliminal coding of the following number sequence. Simply gaze upon the following number with the intent to connect with its gifts. 2,225,554,244,554. Don't allow ego to get involved with your abilities. Insecurity is wild at the moment, and the last thing you should be doing is doubting yourself. The time for practice is over. If you are here, you are ready. Today's tools. Tools will be active until the next post. Use the legend below to help you decipher how to best use today's weapons. Passive equals no intention needed to use or arm. It will work on its own when you accept its presence. All you need to do is give permission and it will work on your behalf. Active equals intention needed to use. Aggressive equals will attack before anything has a chance to do any harm to you, beyond space and time. We have gone through great changes, and thus the weapon-based tools indicated below can be inserted into the ground to call forth downloads. Active, passive and aggressive anywhere within the universe. The Violet Flame team is in 9. This is its optimal setting. The Violet Flame team is as follows, and is in no particular order: Archangel Jermaine, Archangel Ansiel, Archangel Bryathos, Archangel Emmanuel, Archangel Raguel, Archangel Zadkiel, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uf, Archangel Gzrael, Archangel Tatrasil, Archangel Agla, Archangel Harahiel, Archangel Ashma, Archangel Sablo, Archangel Abraxos, Archangel Harahiel, Archangel Nuril, Archangel Galizur, Archangel Orion, Archangel Batkol, Archangel Adonachil, Archangel Abastahan, Archangel Vermil, Archangel Adonai, Archangel Dikwiel, Archangel Baradil, and Archangel Ashma. Active. Archangel Michael's legendary sword can handle anything, as it is completely omnipotent. No level of consciousness can be achieved that this couldn't slice through. It is also an amazing weapon against electronics and technology, as it can override any circuitry. Passive, active and aggressive. Archangel Isaac's radiant field looks a lot like Magneto's force field, and it reacts to any life form with either loving energy, or with a transmutational blast of vast power. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Leo's Swords of Plenty is a passive and aggressive attack sword that has a complete will of its own. Do not try to yield at all, you will only get in the way. Equip and go. Passive. Vahu Mana's timepiece allows you to savor a positive feeling or thought. It brings an element of majesty to your everyday moments, and it prevents the interference of malevolent time travelers. Passive, active and aggressive. Archangel Chamuel's radiant peace allows you to be secluded in a peaceful bubble, no matter what is happening around you. It also allows those in your heart. Passive and active. Archangel Jeremiah's enhanced intuition allows the voices of your soul to become louder. It allows the judges of spirit to be more obvious than ever before. Passive. Archangel Iophiel's Bhutaniya enhances the beauty of yourself and all that you survey. This, like all passive tools, must be given permission to work on your behalf. Passive. Archangel Jadutun's radiant sounds attract the most wonderful people to your life, as well as enhance your surroundings with beautiful cosmic sounds. It's basically a happy enhancer. Passive. Archangel Jephiska's atmospheric bracelet brings an element of fun to your nights. Jephiska is the archangel who is in charge of gatherings. In case you are so inclined to have one, she would be the recommended party planner. Please note the next 3 tools are healing modalities and can be sent remotely to loved ones. Passive and aggressive short range. Archangel Calaziel's radiant rays of health wards off all diseases and illness. It can also aid in the recovery of diseases already inflicted. It can be sent to land masses as well as individual living beings. Passive and aggressive short and long range. Archangel Theliel's radiant compassion sends heartfelt love to all within your jurisdictions. This is the nurturing aspect of healing, and as in it has incredible warmth. It is best to yield this with a calm frame of mind. Active. Archangel Raphael's healing staff is an omnipotent healing force that works gradually or intensively depending on how you yield it. It is considered the best general healing instrument. Today's assignments. We are still working on a macro level, and thus the format will stay consistent. Please use today's current tools if you need assistance performing the tasks below. Are we warmed up yet? We will be seeing things become more and more complicated as time goes on. We are set to command all the omnipotent forces of our physical world. Keep up the great work. We will be destroying the bridge between the physical and non-physical, and merging them one careful step at a time. The unlatching of the old grids is just about to be complete, and the next phase, removing the false projections, is about to begin. The 4th dimension has many false projectors which appear like old-time movie projectors. Once these false projections are destroyed, we will allow the general collective some time to adjust to it before we move on to the next phase of this project. This is a similar strategy to any satellite. Use sword and shield, and because it is not a sentient being, you can destroy them with zero consideration. Most, if not all, of the governments of Earth are about to get attacked by malevolent star beings looking to adopt more of a walk-in influence. Remember, we must stop this across the board regardless of what we feel about the governments therein. It's beside the point that these malevolent beings could do far more damage than any human government. We must keep in line with the galactic laws that we have all agreed to follow. Protect all capital cities from the Dark Order and malevolent starships parked above every major city on Earth. The best route for these sorts of things is to go at them with a sword and shield once you identify a Dark Order. Australia's major galactic portal is officially online. Many ships will be coming in through this method, and we must make sure that every last ship is checked for dark intentions via their aura. If it's a friendly ship, welcome them with open arms, if not, send it right back from which it came. This portal was not supposed to be opened. We are the only line of defenses that it has, and no one is exactly sure what will be coming out of it. As a Legion, we will make a decision whether or not to close this portal after comparing notes. Today's meditation is below. Please enjoy. W.